Meaning it starts with self-awareness. It starts with your body. This could be an esoteric concept for some of you because we're so disconnected from our bodies. Our bodies send signals all the time. When we're connected with our bodies, and because it's trying to tell you something. When you feel a little blip, for example, okay, that means there's something happened. Okay, how did I interpret what I just saw? That it's an invitation to you when you feel a blip, or sometimes it's a woo explosion, but something happens inside of you. You can feel it, the physical sensation. Typically from here, between here and here, it occurs in your core. When you feel that little blip or explosion, whatever happening, there's something is happening inside of you. It's trying to send you a signal. This is not safe. Pay attention. That's when you take a step back, literally just take a step back and say, okay, what just happened? What did I see? What did I hear? How did I interpret it? Those are the 3 questions you need to ask. And you make a choice. Conscious choice. How do I want to interpret it? Okay? And facilitate instead of control. The role of bosses has changed dramatically. The environment has changed so much. There's too many things happening in the environment. One superstar can no longer control and manage and excel in everything there in the organization. You have to delegate. You have to trust your people. Things have changed. It's just things are too complex now. So the role of your leadership now is not command and control. It's facilitate and coordinate.